Hi, I'm Thomas, and welcome back to Next Level English Prep. And today, we're looking at the first conditional. We use the first conditional to talk about real and possible future situations. Are we 100% sure that the things in the first conditional sentences will actually happen? Let's find out. The first conditional connects something that could happen now or in the future with a possible result. It's used for real and possible situations, but it's only used for things that could actually happen. It really helps us talk about the possible causes and effects of things. Like, if it rains, we will stay home. It is possible that it'll rain. And if it does, we'll stay home. So, the first conditional is a really good way to talk about a cause and its effect. And here's the basic structure. For positive sentences, we use if plus the present simple and then a comma, will plus the base verb or verb one. You can start with the if clause or the main clause. Both are correct. Just remember when the sentence starts with if, add a comma between the two clauses. You can also make negative in question forms. The negative is if plus the present simple and then a comma, will not or won't plus the base verb or verb one. And for the question, we can use will plus the subject plus base verb and if and the present simple. It's really that easy. One part for the condition and one part for the result. Let's talk about this sentence real quick. If you eat too much, you'll feel sick. Does this talk about the past, present, or the future? Well, it talks about the future. Is it possible that this situation will happen? Yes, very possible. And what happens first, the eating too much or feeling sick? Well, eating too much happens first, and then you feel sick. That's great. You have a good understanding of how to use the first conditional tense. Let's get some practice. Complete these sentences with the correct form of the verb. Pause the video while you work. And here are the correct answers. Now, let's see if you can rearrange the words here to make correct first conditional sentences. I bet you got them all right. Try answering these questions out loud, or even better, share your answers in the comments below. That's it for today's lesson on the first conditional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the mini grammar lessons playlist for more helpful lessons. And we'll see you next time on Next Level English Prep.